Ever wondered why Bitcoin's value swings like a roller coaster, soaring one day, crashing the next? Let us break it down and uncover what's really driving this digital currency's wild ride. Bitcoin's value has been making headlines for years, with its rapid fluctuations leaving everyone from investors to casual observers scratching their heads. One day it reaches record highs. The next it drops dramatically, sometimes by thousands of dollars in mere hours. This unpredictability has made Bitcoin one of the most talked about topics in both finance and technology circles. But Bitcoin isn't just about price movements. It represents something bigger, decentralized, digital currency, free from government or institutional control. This unique nature adds to its appeal while also fueling its volatility. As cryptocurrency gains popularity, understanding the forces shaping Bitcoin's value becomes essential for anyone looking to make sense of the market. The story behind Bitcoin's price is complex, blending market behavior, technological innovation, and shifting global economic conditions. It's a narrative still unfolding, with new twists and turns every day. For newcomers, this world can feel both exciting and overwhelming. Bitcoin's value can change dramatically in short bursts. But what exactly drives these fluctuations? Which factors work together to create such intense price movements? Market speculation plays a leading role. Investors buy and sell based on future price expectations, causing massive swings. Government regulations add another layer of uncertainty, as new rules and restrictions around the world can instantly reshape market sentiment and Bitcoin's value. Macroeconomic factors like global economic health, interest rates, and inflation also influence investor behavior, while technological aspects, such as mining processes and network security, directly affect confidence in Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin's limited supply capped at 21 million coins makes it even more unique. As demand grows and supply remains fixed, prices naturally climb, but beyond numbers, sentiment matters too. Optimism about Bitcoin's future often sparks buying sprees, pushing prices upward. Major news events, regulatory changes, hacking incidents, or major investments can quickly shift public perception and drive dramatic market reactions. Bitcoin's relationship with other cryptocurrencies adds complexity. Sometimes they rise and fall together. Other times they move independently. The media amplifies this cycle. Positive coverage of adoption or investments can send prices soaring, while negative headlines often trigger panic selling. Analyzing Bitcoin's price history reveals recurring patterns. Some analysts have identified seasonal or even weekly trends in its price behavior. While these patterns can offer insights, they're not foolproof predictions. Big players, often called whales, hold vast amounts of Bitcoin and can influence markets with single transactions. When whales make moves, the entire market pays attention. One key takeaway: Bitcoin's price reflects broader market dynamics, not just its inherent utility or adoption rate. This perspective shifts the focus from Bitcoin as a standalone asset to its role within the global financial ecosystem. As cryptocurrency becomes intertwined with traditional markets like stocks and gold, Bitcoin's role in diversified portfolios continues to evolve, potentially shaping its value in the long run. The entire crypto landscape influences Bitcoin's price. Emerging coins, new technologies, and competitive changes constantly reshape its position in the market. Looking ahead, Bitcoin's future depends heavily on technological advancements, wider institutional acceptance, and potential integration into mainstream financial systems. If global banks and governments find ways to embrace cryptocurrency securely, Bitcoin could transition from a volatile asset to a more stable financial instrument. Investor psychology remains a driving force behind Bitcoin's wild price swings. Fear of missing out, FOMO, often pushes prices higher during bullish runs, while panic selling dominates when the market turns bearish. Understanding these behavioral patterns can help investors make rational decisions rather than emotional ones. Another significant factor shaping Bitcoin's value is global adoption. From countries considering Bitcoin as legal tender to major companies accepting it as payment, these adoption milestones impact public confidence and price stability. The more integrated Bitcoin becomes in daily transactions, the stronger its long-term value proposition could be. In conclusion, Bitcoin's value is shaped by a complex web of factors from speculation and regulation to technology and macroeconomics. Grasping these elements is key to understanding its wild price swings. For anyone navigating the crypto world, staying informed and considering multiple perspectives is crucial. The Bitcoin story is far from over, and your insights and opinions are part of the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments, and explore my other videos for deeper dives into cryptocurrency trends.